understand the difference between heat pump capacitors and straight AC capacitors. This capacitor is going to get used year round on a heat pump. So even though the heat pump is only 2 years old, if there were to be any excessive wear and tear, I wouldn't be surprised due to the fact that I know that this capacitor runs year round. But the fact that it's 2 years old, usually it's going to take typically close to 4 or 5 years at a minimum for you to really see a difference in the numbers. And guys, there's variables to that as well. It depends on the usage. It depends on, once again, if it's a straight AC or a heat pump. And like I said, guys, not everybody runs their AC at the same